Let's take a look at the impact of leadership. An assumption underlying the study of leadership is that leaders affect organizational performance. The highest level leaders make the same assumption. A frequent anecdote to major organizational problems is to replace the leader in the hope that a newly appointed leader will reverse performance problems. The idea that leaders actually influence organizational performance and morale is widely believed, and there's been a moderate amount of research and opinion that deals with this issue. How leaders impact organizational or unit performance is the essential subject. For example, good results are attained by developing teamwork and formulating the right strategy. In contrast to the previous argument, the anti leadership argument holds that the impact of the leader on organizational outcomes is smaller than the impact of forces within the situation. To personalize this perspective, imagine yourself appointed as the manager of a group of a highly skilled investment team of bankers. How well your group performs could be attributed as much to their talent and economic conditions as your leadership. At times, incompetent leadership can be counterbalanced by certain factors in the work situation. Under these circumstances, leadership itself is of little consequence to the performance and satisfaction of team members. According to this viewpoint, many organizations have substitutes for leadership. Such substitutes are factors in the work environment that provide guidance and incentives to perform, making the leader's role almost superfluous. When members of a cohesive, highly trained group are focused on a goal, they may require almost no leadership to accomplish their task. Employees who are engaged in the work they find strongly self motivating or intrinsically satisfying require a minimum of leadership. Workers who incorporate strong professional norms often require a minimum of supervision and of leadership. Another argument for leadership being overrated is that in the modern organization, effective leadership means widespread collaboration in obtaining ideas rather than the heroic leader doing all the innovating. According to this point of view, instead of centralizing leadership in the hands of a few, authority and power are shared and people lead themselves.